देखें ये वीडियो है ब्लैक स्मिथ शॉप की। ये ब्लैक स्मिथ शॉप बनाई हुई है उन्होंने पुराने ज़माने की जैसे होती थी ना। ये तस्वीर है 1910 की ब्लैक स्मिथ शॉप के अंदर में। तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे बड़ी ब्लैक स्मिथ शॉप थी ना अल्बर्टा की, उसमें 800 ब्लैक स्मिथ काम करता है। जस्ट लाइक एक फैक्ट्री आप समझ लें फोर्जिंग की। और ये मशीनें पुराने ज़माने की पड़ी हुई हैं। ये What are these engines for?
The engine. Okay, you're looking at the heart of the drive line. So I will use my handy gesturing stick. This is a 4 horsepower Fairbanks Morse motor. It is the heart of the drive line. And the drive line is a series of connected tools. So the one behind me, that's the trip hammer. And that's an automatic hammer. So it does some heavy hammering work for us. So we don't wear our arms out drawing things down. Then over here, we have the combination grinder and polisher. The polisher is great for getting forge tarnish off of the outside of our project, so it makes it nice and shiny. The grinder can take off sharp edges if we need to. The sandstone wet wheel is also a grinder, but a finer grain, so it can put good edges on things like axes or hatchets or knives. Or if we want a very smooth, fine finish, we can use it to polish as well. We also have our drill press, and that's for putting holes in things. So as this spins round, the drill turns round, and it'll drill down. If there's a bit on there, you can put a hole in something. It's all very useful.
Very nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anytime.
Thank you, sir, for this information. So, देखें ये industrialization का. This is beginning of industrialization actually, huh?
This is a little after the beginning of industrialization, but blacksmith shops stayed very, very similar for a very long time. So you'll see a lot of tools that look like this in modern blacksmith shops,
Yeah.
and you'll see a lot of tools like this in older blacksmith shops.
Good,
So,
good.
very, very similar all the way through.
These are two anvils, huh?
That is correct. We have two
Anvils are very important in
Yes.
Foundry business, huh?
This is our work surface. So this is the hard surface we hit the metal on to
Yeah.
ensure that we can shape it the way we want to. And the shape